I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. But before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. So we've seen the spectacular comeback of the bulls this week, and what a move. Congratulations to everyone for hitting new lifetime high in the indices, 21,000 in Nifty and 47,300 above in Bank Nifty. We've seen that Nifty, there has been support-based buying and any small declines are being utilized for buying opportunity. Sector-specific action is quite strong, which is aiding the index to move ahead. We've seen buying across the market, which suggests that the market breadth is quite positive and suggests the up move to continue in the coming weeks as well. So for the support, we are looking at 20,850 and then 20,700 for a straight up move towards 20,200 zones. For Bank Nifty, we've seen that after a slack of the last entire series, the index is back into momentum and finally now performing as it was underperforming earlier. So for the levels per se, we are seeing 46,750 as a crucial support zone over here for an up move towards 48,000 zones. So look out for some of the sectors next week which are going to perform, and some of them are going to be defense names, capital goods and engineering space, and some of the BFSI names are also looking quite good as Bank Nifty is getting ready for a fresh breakout. Now, some of the power and engineering companies are also looking quite nice. So these are the sectors to watch out for. Until then, see you next time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.